Hi, this is Hui Xu from In the Art of Music. In this video, I will discuss the diminished 7th arpeggio in the key of D minor. In music, the diminished 7th chord occurs as a leading tune 7th chord in the harmonic minor scale. The leading tune refers to the 7th note of the scale. We have learned the D harmonic minor scale. The 7th note of this scale is C sharp. So a diminished 7th chord of D minor is a chord built on C sharp. A diminished 7th arpeggio is a 4-note broken chord composed of a root note together with a minor third, a diminished 5th, and a diminished 7th. It can be also viewed as consisting of 3 minor third intervals. The right-hand fingerings for the diminished 7th arpeggio of D minor are 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and so on. There is an option of fingering. Finger 2 can be used to play the C sharp note at the beginning and ending of the arpeggio. Left-hand fingerings are 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, and so on. Another hint in the fingerings for the diminished 7th arpeggio of D minor, we use both hands' thumb to play the note E. We use both hands' third fingers to play the note B flat. Thumbs on E, third fingers on B flat, thumbs on E, third fingers on B flat. When we play arpeggios, we should avoid having a break, a lack of sound, when passing the thumb under. This is a common problem. To be able to play a good legato arpeggio, you should angle your hand in the direction you're going. If you are playing an ascending passage, angle your hand a little bit to the right. That way, the thumb is closer to the next note, and you will have a smooth wrist motion across the keyboard. If you are not familiar with the diminished 7th arpeggio, I suggest you practice hands separately at a slow tempo with correct fingering. When you begin to practice hands together, practice in small fragments, every 1 or 2 octaves, to validate correct notes with correct fingerings. Then do the same thing for descending pattern. After practicing the diminished 7th arpeggio in parallel motion, do counter motion as well. Practicing every arpeggio with counter motion will help you develop some basic hand independence and coordination. Now let me demonstrate the diminished 7th arpeggio in the key of D minor in counter motion at the medium tempo. I hope this video is helpful for you to practice the diminished 7th arpeggio in the key of D minor. If you have any questions, you may leave comments for me. Please share with your friends if you like the video. I will see you next time.